How to create Gmail account without phone number. So if you want to create your Gmail account without phone number, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you can open up your browser, search for create Google account, and then go with create a Google account or a Gmail account. And here you will have go to Google account sign in page, click on it, which will take you to the sign in page. Or you can also go with the profile, which is on the top right. And here you'll need to go with add another account. And here you can go with create account. Under create account, go and enter your first and last name. Go with next. And here enter your basic information like your date of birth and your gender. And go with next. After that, you need to enter the username and go with next again. And you need to create your password. After creating your password, you can again confirm your password. And once you've done creating your passwords, you can go with the next step, and it will ask you to add your phone number, right? But if you don't have your phone number, then you don't need to worry because you will have an option to skip that part. You'll have the skip option. You can just simply click on skip, and you don't need to add your phone number. So just skip it and then go with next, and your account will be created. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.